If you can hang a picture, you can hang your zebra shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All zebra shades have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Depending on the type of shade you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, and that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. If your zebra shades came with a band around the middle, do not remove it until your shade is fully installed. It is important that you do not operate your zebra shade until it is fully installed to prevent damage from occurring. The first step is to mark where you want to place your brackets. For this install, we're going to be hanging the blinds inside the window frame at the top. The front of the bracket will face out from the window and the back of it hangs down like this. I'm hanging a zebra shade with pole chain motorization, so all of the working components are enclosed in the cassette. Depending on the width of your shade, you want to place your brackets 2 to 4 inches from each side, so just make a little mark there, making sure they're aligned. Also, you'll want to make sure the front edge of your brackets are flush with the window frame. Place the brackets in the previously marked location and use a pen or pencil to mark where the 2 screws will go. Before actually drilling in the screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill the holes to make it easier to put them in. Place the bracket over the holes and drill the screws in loosely. This gives you a little wiggle room for any adjustments to make sure the brackets are straight and aligned properly. Once the brackets are lined up, finish drilling the screws in all the way. Now we're going to put the cassette onto the brackets. See this little groove on the top? That's where the brackets will snap onto it. Grasp the cassette so the front of the shade is facing you and rest the top of the cassette on the top lip of the brackets. Push the bottom front of the headrail firmly back toward the wall until it catches onto the back of the brackets and snaps into place. When it does, you'll hear a loud click. That's it! Before testing the shade, remove the protective bands from the cassette. For maximum performance, make sure the bottom rail is centered prior to operating. Now just tug on the motorized pull chain to activate your shade and make sure it's working properly. Tug the chain again to stop its progress. Tug one more time to make it go in the opposite direction. If you need to remove your shade, raise it fully into the cassette. Reach up under it and slip the head of a flathead screwdriver into the middle tab on the bracket to pop the cassette out. Then just lift the cassette off the brackets and away from the window. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new zebra shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.